Hello everybody, today is March 1st, 2023. It's time to begin opening the patio for the 2023 season. I have a new item here I'm going to be putting into service this year. This is a 1973 West Bend electric skillet. There's the info on it. And has the correct controller. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to cook in this like I thought because of this coating is really deteriorated. However, I'm going to use it for a bun warmer. I think that would work awesome. And of course, if you hadn't noticed, shaded avocado. So that's pretty awesome. So next, I'm going to see if the grill will light. I've already wiped it down. It should be ready to go. Wipe down the grates in there. Let's give it a test light. Oh man. Not a problem. Probably I'll go ahead and replace the battery because it's been in there almost a year. But it's still good. Just don't want to take a chance on it. So I'll get that done. And then I guess the next thing, we can test this thing out and make sure it still warms. The grill is heating up. Let's see if this thing will turn on. I believe I see a neon light glowing. So put that on warm. Let's see if it's doing anything. Yes, it's working. Absolutely. This thing appears to be heating up nicely. I can crank it up and it'll come on. There we go. It won't take it too long and that will go off. There it is. So, ready to warm some buns up in this electric skillet. We'll come over to the grill. It's heating up nicely, so I'll go ahead and cut it off for a little while till we get ready to grill. Got about an hour. So the grilling has begun. First grill out of 2023. We have some frozen hamburger patties that my grandfather prepared since this was a spur of the cigarettes cheeseburger picnic. So that's what we got going today. I'm going to put some sliced mild cheddar on them. I've got the buns warming in there. And we'll close the lid and let those chooch a little while. Well, they're cooking up. That one there will be packed in my lunch tomorrow as it got a little charcoaled on one side, but that's okay. It'll be good for my lunch. So, once again, this is Patio Open 2023 Part 1. Thank you for watching.